Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. Today we'll see the difference between distance and displacement. Okay na? Displacement and a distance. We all know displacement is a vector quantity having both magnitude and direction, whereas distance is a scalar quantity. Okay na? Now to explain clearly, for example, this is a circular ground. Okay, it is having some radius r and diameter d. Now suppose if a person from A he has to go to B, A నుంచి B కి వెళ్ళాలి. So he can go straight like this. He can go straight. So this is a vector having magnitude direction, that is diameter. He can go in this fashion, but here the distance is more. He can go in this fashion. Here also the distance is more. Therefore, in other words, we can say distance is always greater than equal to displacement. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? డిస్టెన్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్కి గ్రేటర్ లేదా ఈక్వల్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ కేసు తీసుకోండి, ఏ నుంచి బీకి వెళ్ళాలి. నవ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు స్ట్రైట్. సో ఏబి ఈజ్ ద షార్టెస్ట్ పాత్ and this is the longest path, and this is the path covered by the total path covered by the body is distance. Shortest path is called as displacement. అర్థమవుతుంది మీకు? అందుకే మీకు ఈ సందర్భంలో in this case you can see the person is going straight, so this is displacement. Of course it is also equal to distance. అర్థమవుతుందా? So therefore in detail if you want it, distance is greater than equal to displacement. Equal to displacement అవుతుంది, బట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా maximum 90% is greater than displacement only, because it is the total path covered by the body, but here it is the shortest path covered by the body, and displacement is a vector, distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement and magnitude and direction will be having, whereas scalar distance will have only magnitude. Please, okay na? Right.